welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday everyone, and I hope everyone has a good rest of their week. So for today's video, we will be unboxing a mystery makeup bag. Now, first things first, I've been wanting to do this for so long. It might be a little series on this channel. So guys, so I did a little bit of research on these, and I looked on Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, and these are very like generic ones. I know that Amazon, I saw reviews, and some of the reviews were like, no, like this is a waste of money. So guys, if I'm going to spend my money, I really want something that will give me a high chance of good quality makeup. So I got a box from OFRA. I've never bought a makeup product from them, but I do have this OFRA Madison Miller trio set. This trio set, and I got this. Well, I think I got it in a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. They're really, really pretty. And I love the way it looks. So I don't have anything on my face. I did my skincare this morning. So whatever face products we don't have in this makeup bag, I will be putting them on off camera, and then we'll come back and we will use the products that are in this makeup bag. And I will post the price of each product on the screen so you guys can see the value of this bag is worth more than what I paid for. And I paid $35 for this particular bag. And there weren't any choices. It was just this one mystery bag. So I'm really excited, guys. I'm really, really excited. If you guys know of any brands that do mystery bags, please let me know. You can send me a DM on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram handle down below in the description box, guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Let's get into it. Typically with like makeup brands, guys, I know they'll have like their makeup brand on the box, but this one doesn't. So it's a plain Jane box. Okay, now let's get into it. Nothing really fancy. I love these. I'm gonna freak out my cat. Let me not do that. So first things first, here is a OFRA hand sanitizer, which is so cute, so little. We have a OFRA little information card. They're cruelty-free and vegan. That's good to know. And this is just my packing list. Yeah, and it was $35. And there's nothing else in here. Now here is the bag, guys. Look how cute this is. And it does not smell like leather. You guys know how like really sometimes like fake leather just smells horrible. But this is okay. You can also use it like a little clutch. It's so cute. Little makeup bag. There's supposed to be 5 products in this bag. I'm gonna pull up the OFRA website. Okay, what are these? Cleanse it off. There's 15 pieces in here. This is 100% cotton, made with aloe vera. Oh, so these right here are $7. Okay, $7 down. Makeup fixer. This is cute. Makeup fixer. A light, refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. So it's like a setting spray. That's cute. You can never have enough setting spray cards. Let's see the mist. It's lightly fragranced. Oh, let's see how much that is. This is $10. 2 ounces? Yeah. 2 ounces, $10. So right there is already $17. Look how cute this is. God, I love this color. Such a pretty spring color. Let's swatch it, but I don't know. Oh, this is a liquid lipstick, guys. Oh, look how pretty that is. Guys, I don't know how I like that. It's very pretty. Yes, there's a theme going on, guys, because it's very, very pink. Alrighty, now let's see how much this liquid lipstick is. Let's see, liquid. Okay, so off the bat it says liquid lipsticks are $20. So let's see if they have our shade, unless it's like discontinued. And the shade is Panama, so yep. So this is a vibrant baby pink. It's very, really pretty. So cute, so pretty. But I don't like the way it looks on the bottom, guys. Like, look at that. Let's see if we can get it in focus. So I'm gonna post a picture of how that looks because I don't think you guys can see how great it looks, but it's okay, it's fine. I love their packaging. This is a banana powder. I love banana powders. Look how cute that is, guys. So cute. So that's super cute. Let's see how much that is. Yes, guys. So it's this right here is the banana powder is $16. Let's add everything up. So we 37 plus 16. I'm not gonna. $53 already, guys. $53 in these 4 items. We have one more, guys. Oh my goodness! Open, 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 open. This is the highlighter in Rodeo Drive, guys. And I've never used this, but I know that, oh goodness, look how pretty. Guys, I've heard of YouTubers like raving about this. I'm so excited to use this, guys. I've heard so much good things about this highlighter. Excited, let's see how much that is. Okay, let's see how much that one is. Guys, this is $35. $35, guys. The whole bag was $35. I paid $35 for all of it, and I got this highlighter. And I'm so excited because this is a bunch of people's like holy grails, guys. And I'm so excited I got this. Like, look, it's like a golden, like champagne-y. Like, I am so excited, and I love how, oh, I love this packaging. Oh my gosh. So the value of this is $88 for the 5 of these, guys, and we paid $35, and that is the price of this highlighter. So I will be back with my full face done, and we will see how these products perform, guys. $35, like, I'm just like, $35 for this, and I paid $35 for everything, so I really hope, guys, I like this as much as everyone else does, because, whew, $35. So, guys, I will be back, and we will talk about it. See you soon. So, guys, I have done my eyebrows, and I did my foundation. I went in with that banana powder, and guys, I really don't like it. It's clinged on to my dry patches. Like, really. Guys, this just looks really, really cakey. You can tell that I have makeup on. It's really annoying. It's just clinged all onto my dryness, all down here. It's only noticeable if you're like right in my face. I'll let you guys know if I see anything else. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, guys, so I'll be back with the rest. All we have left are lips and our highlights. So I've had this on for about 30 minutes, and this right here, guys, it looks so bad. So bad. I'm gonna let you guys see this. Look. And I used a Dewy foundation. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this always makes my face so flawless, so good. But it's not that cute today. Oh no, guys, no. Anyways, let's go into my favorite part, guys. I'm so excited for this. So this is the OFRA highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This is just a setting brush. Now let's see. Whew. Look at that, guys. And all I did was just swipe it a little bit. Ooh. Guys, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. See that on my nose? Oh goodness. This is so pretty. Let's see, I'm gonna go with a lip liner. Maybe like a darker. Yeah, let's go on with this one. This is the Maybelline Colorsational in Pink Wink. Pink Wink. Guys, this is not my vibe, guys. So not my vibe. Woo! Yeah, guys, it's way too big. So, guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. Yeah, I don't like this pink on me. It's just wipe this right away, and I am using the OFRA Cleanse It Off wipe, and we're gonna see how this works. It's a good thing. I'm gonna go in with our ColourPop Luxe Lip Gloss, and I will go in with a little bit of a lip liner. Much better, guys. Alright guys, so this is our final look. Let's see. So, this highlight is the best thing in this makeup box. The whole mystery bag was $35. This right here is $35 on its own, and I got 5 products. This is a beautiful color, but not for me. It's just way too pink. I like very muted lips, and this is just not for me. Nope. Now, this powder right here, guys, it's okay for your under eyes, but it clinged all to my dry patches, all down here. It's just not. Let me take an updated picture. Let me show you guys what it looks like after like an hour. It looks so bad, so bad. And I used a Dewy foundation, and Wet n Wild. I love this foundation. I mean, anyone would tell you Wet n Wild is really good foundation. This powder, I'm going to try it again. Really, I'm going to try this again. I'm going to probably only do it in my under eye area, and hopefully, you know, it'll work better then. What else? The setting spray, I mean, it's okay. Everything's set. It's fine, but I don't like the mister. Look at the mister. It's really harsh. It's really harsh. The smell, fragrance, it's okay. It's okay. It just smells like clean. And then the whole, I don't really use makeup wipe. I just use one of those like off-brand like magic erasers. That's what I use to take off my makeup every day. But this, I will use it since I already have it. I'm not going to trash it. I did use it to wipe off that lipstick, the liquid lipstick, and it worked perfectly. It took it off. So this did its job. Other than that, the value of the box was $88, which is really good because I only paid $35. And mind you guys, OFRA highlighter in Rodeo Drive is worth $35. MSRP, whatever. $35. So guys, don't forget, I'll be using this every day now. But that is it for today's video, guys. And guys, my wing liner is getting better and better. It's a little bit thick. A little thick on the top. A little thick, because I do have hooded eyes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, guys. And I'll see you all on Friday. Bye!